Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete friends on Monopoly Go. So let's get straight into it. To delete friends on Monopoly Go, start by loading the game. And once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and just tap the friends icon. So this will open the friends and family screen. So at the top, you will see three tabs: add friends, timeline, and leaderboard. So just tap on the leaderboard tab here, and underneath it, you will find three more options: global, local, and friends. So make sure to select friends here. So from here, scroll through your list of friends and locate the one you want to delete. For example, let's delete the person right here. So just tap on their name and you'll then see a remove button. So select remove and a pop-up will ask if you want to remove this person as a friend. So to confirm, just press the red remove button, and once you do, the person will be deleted as your friend, and their spot on the leaderboard will be replaced by someone else. So that's basically how you can delete friends on Monopoly Go. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.